Hey everyone, it's Dico and welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the Lenovo ThinkBook 16G6, a versatile laptop that packs a punch. With its impressive specs and competitive price, the ThinkBook 16G6 is a compelling option for both productivity and entertainment. Let's explore 3 compelling reasons why you should consider buying this laptop.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Reason number 1. Powerful performance for demanding tasks. The Lenovo ThinkBook 16G6 is equipped with a robust Intel Core i5 13th generation processor, ensuring exceptional performance for a wide range of tasks. These powerful chips combined with 8GB of RAM allows you to seamlessly multitask between multiple applications without experiencing lag. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a creative individual, the ThinkBook 16G6 can handle your demanding workloads with ease. From video editing and photo manipulation to content creation and gaming, this laptop delivers the power you need to succeed.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
Reason number 2. Immersive Visuals and comfortable usage. The ThinkBook 16G6 boasts a spacious 16-inch WUXGA display that offers stunning visuals. With its high-resolution wide viewing angles, you'll be captivated by the vibrant colors and sharp details. Whether you're watching movies, editing photos, or simply browsing the web, the display delivers an immersive experience. The laptop's comfortable keyboard and precise trackpad makes typing and navigating easy and efficient. The backlit keyboard is a thoughtful addition that enhances your typing experience, especially in low light conditions.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Reason number 3. Exceptional value for money. The Lenovo ThinkBook 16G6 offers exceptional value for money. It provides a balance of performance, features, and affordability, making it a compelling choice for budget-conscious buyers. Compared to other laptops in its class, the ThinkBook 16G6 delivers impressive performance without breaking the bank. You get a reliable and powerful machine that can handle your daily tasks and more, all at a competitive price. In conclusion, the Lenovo ThinkBook 16G6 is a fantastic laptop that offers a combination of performance, features, and value. Whether you're a student, a professional, a casual user, this laptop has something to offer. Its powerful processor, immersive visuals, and competitive price make it a compelling choice. If you like this video, don't forget to click subscribe and stay tuned for upcoming video related to the laptop review. See you soon.